Well, hello there, YouTube. I brought my trailer in the shop because it's air conditioned, but it's still kind of hot in here because I opened the door to let all the cold air out. But I'm checking this grease. It looks pretty darn good. So I don't know. The bearings look really good. They don't go underwater. So I don't know if I need to grease those. That looks pretty darn good. I could probably throw a little bit of grease in there if I could squeeze it in. I bought some new grease. I don't know what I did with it. Ah, I see it. Hopefully my mic's working. So the reason I'm doing this, I got new tires too. I got a new tire over there, and then I thought the other tire came with a rim too, but apparently it didn't. So I'm going to put new tires on this trailer because they're down to the wear bars, and we use it a lot. Oh, come on out of there. We use it a lot moving up here from Leander, so put a lot of miles on it. Oh, come on. Child-proof lids. I got my gloves on, so there we go. Ah, same kind of red grease. Oh, let's just pack a little in there just for the hell of it. See if I can push it in. The bearings feel really good. So I'm going to put the thing back on, little cap, put that back on. And get that new rim. Boy, I had a heck of a time. I got a air impact, and holy cow, I had to WD-40. Let me throw this away. I had the WD-40 the nuts to get them off. So I did the other side too, and haven't taken that off yet. But I jacked it up, and I put a jack stands under it. Put the lid back on this grease, and I'm going to pause it and go get my other tire off of that side. Well, the nuts off of that one came off really easy. But I already greased the other one, so we'll see how that works. There we go. And got my air impact. Put these back on. So I'm pretty happy with the grease still in there. I was going to unpack them and do it, but I don't think I need to because trailer's only we only came up here. I bought it new. We came up here a bunch of times, but it's been sitting outside now for a while. So here's a new tire. I'll have to check the air pressure on it. Probably getting them on too tight now. There we go. There's a brand new tire. Yeah, it doesn't wobble at all. So it's a brand new tire. I got a brand new tire. I got to take off this rim and have it done. But I'm going to move this over. I'll pause it. move it over to the other side. Oh, still recording. I didn't pause it. Let's see, there we go. Yeah, I already doubled. Oh, WD-40 on these. There we go. Yeah, that helped. WD-40 those when I did the other side. And they were. That made a big difference. Whoa. Okay. This tires. Yeah, down to the wear bars. I'll keep one of them as a spare. Put it back over there. Okay, I think this is probably still good. I know I didn't do this side, so let me check. Let me get my screwdriver. I didn't shut it off again. So, let's see if I can get this off. Comes off this way. Yeah, it's coming off. Maybe not. I haven't had this one off. Well, that one's harder to get off. I haven't had this one off yet. Huh. Now I'll turn this off a second. Well, it ain't shutting off.